Good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, teachers.
Yeah, so how are you today?
We're good, ma'am.
Okay, so we are your teachers. So this is,
My name is Arvi Kutjamar.
and my name is Teresa Obonan. So, Sir Arvin, we're going to tell you what are you going to do first. After that, then I'm the one to discuss you our topic today.
So, once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
So, is there any absent today or none?
None, sir.
Okay, very good. So, I have rules and regulation in our classroom. So, first, if someone is talking, keep quiet, and if you want to answer, your hand. And if you want to answer, raise your hand. And what you're gonna do? Share your thoughts. Okay. So before we begin our discussion, so I want you to sit quietly and listen and hear around you. So are you ready, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, before we proceed to our next topic, I want you to sit properly and close your eyes. Then listen to the sound around you. I will only give you 2 minutes. Now, open your eyes. Children, how did you feel to sit quietly and listen to the sound around you? Okay, what else?
Sa people are talking.
What? Can you louder?
I can hear people cheering.
Okay, what else?
Relaxing.
Okay, very good. So, what sound did you hear that you usually don't notice?
Birds chirping.
Okay, what else? There are so many.
People talking there.
Okay, what else?
The sounds of the electric fan.
Mm-hmm.
The sound of the tickling of the clock, sir.
Yes. So, why do you think it's important to take time and listen and aware of our surroundings?
Yes.
What? What is it? Why are you always smiling?
It helps us stay safe, sir.
Yes. So,
Sir, when we hear the birds chirping, it can make our mind relaxed, sir.
that's one important. So, what else? China, can you share?
It makes us more mindful and relaxed, sir.
Okay, very good. So, how can we practice being a good listener?
Sir, by paying attention when someone is talking.
Okay, like what I'm doing, you listening. So, what else?
Not using our phones.
What? Can you say it again?
Not using our phones when talking to friends or family.
Okay, very good. What else?
Taking a moment to breathe and listen before reacting.
Yes. So, can you think of a time when being a good listener helped you or someone else?
Sir, when we listen to a friend's problem.
Yes. That's one important. So, what else?
When I listen to the teacher.
What?
When I listen to you, sir, when you are talking and discussing in front.
Yes. Okay. So, how can being a good listener help you at home with your family?
It shows respect.
Okay. What else? Respect. How? how can you show respect?
By listening
To them and obeying their commands.
Very good, children. So let's give a give a clap in ourselves.
Wow.
So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What a night. Oh, once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What a night. So based on what we do, what do you think our topic? What do you, like when ago we said the activity that we do is you close your eyes and listen and hear around you. So what do you think the possible topic? Explain.
Sound.
Music. Children, let's call Ma'am Teresa to present our topic. So, come here, Teresa. Ma'am Teresa.
Okay. Hi, children.
Mom.
Yes. So, we're going to present our topic for today. So, if there's a soft and a hard sound, there is also a thin and thickness of music. Do you agree? Yes. So, I want you to listen attentively and cooperate attentively to the activity that I'm going to give you later on. Understand?
Yes, Mom.
So that at the end of our discussion, you will be able to distinguish between thinness and thickness of a musical sound. And you will be able to differentiate between thinness and thickness. Understood? Grade 4?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so let's proceed. Next, Sir Aubrey. Okay, we're going to determine or we're going to know the definition. What is a thin sound? Next, Sir Aubrey. Yes. This is thin. Will you read it, class?
Thinness is the simplest texture in music because it has only one line, voice or instrument that is played or heard.
Okay, so this is the definition of a thin sound. It says here that it is only one line voice. So meaning there are only one voice or one instrument that being played or heard. So that is a thin sound. So did you understand?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so let's see the definition of a thick sound. Next, Sir Arby. Thick sounds next. Okay, so will you read it again, class?
Thickness refers to the number of layers of sounds that are happening at the same time.
Okay, very good. Thank you for reading. Yes, it says here that thickness refers to numbers of layers of sound that are happening at the same time. So while the thin sounds are only one line or one instrument that being played or heard, and these thick sounds is there are more layers of sounds that are happening at the same time. So for example, the choir, the merging of the sounds of the chirping of birds and the hum of the winds. Understand, children?
Yes,
Okay, next turn. Okay, so we're going to play. That called music relay. Will you say music relay?
Music relay.
Okay, well, what are we going to do is I will group you into two groups. So the row 1 will be the group 1 and the row 2 will be the group 1, group 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is determine the picture or the video that is being portrayed here in our TV. Determine if it is an example of thin sounds or an example of a thick sounds. Understand, grade 4?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, very good. So where is your chalk here? Do you have any chalk?
Over there, Mom.
Eraser. I think. Ito lang. This is the group 1 is our scoring board. Group 2. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will be the first one to raise their hand and say the correct answer will be having a 1 point. Understand?
Yes,
Let's proceed. Sir Arvin, next. So determine what is this example of this?
Teen.
I told you grade 4 too. When you answer, just raise your hand. Okay? Who will be the one to answer this one? Group 1 and group 2. Okay, Hazel will the first to raise your hand. Okay, Hazel?
Teen, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is an example of teen. Is Hazel's correct? Group 1?
Yes.
Yes. Hazel, will you stand first? Why do you say so that it is an example of a teen sound?
Because it's a single instrument.
Okay, very good, Hazel. Let's clap Hazel. Group 1. Okay. Yes, very good. Very good, Hazel. The answer of Hazel is correct because it has only one instrument that being played. Okay, next, Sir Arvin. How about this one? Yes, group 1. What is your answer?
Teen, ma'am.
Is the answers group 1 is correct, group 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you have 1 point also. So why is your answer is a teen?
Because it uses only one sound.
Yes, fantastic answer, Haina. Okay, so you have both 1 point. Next, Sir Arvin. How about this one? This is a video, so Sir Arvin, will you play it? Okay, how about this one? This is an example of tick or tin sounds based from the audio that you heard.
Teen, ma'am.
Tick. So yes, group 2 again. The answer is tick. Why is it tick?
Ma'am, because the combination of the sound of gong and the there are two, ma'am, instrument that
Yes, great answer. So because it is a tick because there are more gongs that are being played here. Did you understand?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
group 2. Next, Sir Arvin. How about this one?
Teen.
Tick. Group 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it tick?
Because there are so many
sounds.
Yes, there are so many voices. So what will you see in this picture?
Choir.
Yes, a choir. Very good, group 2. Group 1. You only have 1 point here. Okay, next, Sir Arvin. Okay, this is a video, so here what is the audio. Play it, Sir Arvin. Oh, what is it?
Teen.
Tin?
Ma'am.
So the group 2 is the first one to answer. So why is it tin?
Because it's single. It is only one instrument.
What is the instrument are being played here? Huh? What instrument is this?
Piano.
Yes, a piano. Group 2 again.
Yay.
Okay, group 1. Nakakabot. Okay, next, Sir Arvin. How about this one?
Teen.
Yes, this is an example of tin. Next, Sir Arvin. How about this one?
Tick.
Yes. Tick. Group 1. Next, Sir Arvin. How about this one?
Tick.
Yes, very good. Group 2. Why is it tick? Because
It has two instruments.
what instrument is this?
Violin.
Yes, it is a violin. Did you experience how playing violin?
No, ma'am.
No? Do you want to experience it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
later on. Okay, next, Sir Arvin. Yes, it is. Group 1 will, the first one to answer. So, we have 1 point. Next survey. Wait. Watch the video, class. Okay, so what will you see? What will you see in this video?
People dancing.
People are dancing. What else?
Playing golf.
Yes, they are playing gongs. Another?
Playing,
Drum.
people are cheering.
Yes, people are cheering. So do you know where is this place is?
Yes.
Where?
At the gymnasium.
Yes, at here in our hometown, Cervantes at our gymnasium. So have you been there?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are you going to? What are the things that did you do when you're going there?
We dance.
Dance.
Join the
Dance and?
dance.
Yes,
Great
you.
type of form, ma'am.
Yes, you cheer. So what kind of celebration is this class?
Honey Festival.
Yes, Ali Festival. So did you attend our Ali Festival last year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So what did you participate in the activities?
We play
Cheer
drum and lyre.
Yes, you played drum and lyre. So very good. So let's total the score of your score. So group 1 got a 4 score and group 2 got a 5 score. So let's give a good job clap group 1 for the group 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, very good. So now that you understood what is active sounds and active sounds, we're going to have an activity. Are you excited, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, so this is your activity for today. So, when ago I grouped you into 2 groups. So, for now, I will group you into 3 groups. So, Hannah and Jason will be the group 1. And Ashley and Hazel will be the group 2. And Karen and Jesslyn will be the group 3. So, this is your instruction. So, listen. For group 1, draw 1 example of thickness of sound in music in 1 cotton pad. Did you understand group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, this is the activity of group 2. Okay, so the name of your group is active group. So sing one song showing an example of thickness of sounds in music. Understood?
Yes.
For the group 3, next. Okay, this is the name of your group, texture group. So create 1 example of thick and thin using any objects that you have. After your activity, just raise your hand if you're done. So before you proceed, next survey, this is the rubric for you to score. So, and here you have the category: excellent, good, fair, and needs improvement. In the above the category, we have the creativity and presentation. If your activity is creative and present well. And the participation and teamwork, if I'm going to see you that all of your members are participating with each other. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, so the next here is the understanding of concept and time management. So I will give you only 7 minutes to do your activity. So any questions, yes?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so this is our time. Okay, so proceed with your group mates and do your activity. So your time starts now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will monitor if you're doing good. Group 1. I know your group mate.
Listen, ma'am.
Giselle, go to Haina. Do your activity. Marker. Oh, this is their
Ma'am, nagkanta ka rin, ma'am?
yes. The group 3 will sing a song. understand what I want to do. Okay, create one example of tick and tin using any objects that you have. Understand the three? Yes. Okay.
May isa naman ito, Tin.
May isa lang, isa lang. May isa lang, tapos din may isa.
Sabayin niyo. Sige, karangin ko lang yung
Ano lang kasi may isa.
What's that group one?
Ano mga side for me?
You should convert your birthday so you have got high score later on.
Ma'am, we are done.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're going to present your activity here in front. So group one will be the first one. What I'm going to do is explain why is it an example of tin. Why is it an example of tin or tin sounds? Understood? Okay. So see group one.
Okay, so we draw a piano, and it is an example of a thing because piano produces only one sound.
Okay, very good, group one. We'll give group two and group three amazing clap for group one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Okay, very good. Group two, you proceed here in front. What's your group mates, Hazel? It's 10. Yeah. Okay, so your group mates will be the one to discuss what is the example of sounds. Yes. Okay, proceed.
Bahari bubu kahit muntin ang halaman doon ay sari-sari singkamas sa tanong sigarilyas sa kani sitaw pataw patani undol patula hukot kalabasa at saka mayroon pa labanos mustasa sibuyas kamatis bawang at luya sa paligid-ligid mo ng linga.
Okay, very good, group two. So I believe come here in front and explain what heroes do.
So Hazel sing a song Bahay Kuko Ma'am.
Okay, so is an example of
It is an example of Pines Ma'am because she is the only one singing.
yes, very good. So let's give an mosquito clap for group two. Okay, proceed. One mosquito, two mosquito, many mosquito. Okay, very good. So group three.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Always the ones are so sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Always the ones
Okay, very good. So stay there. Stay there. Okay, so explain what did you do? Okay, there.
So the first that we do is an example of thing. While when we combine the two instruments,
Yes.
that is an example of thing.
Six. Okay, very good, group three. So let's give 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so good job. So I appreciate your creativity. So you all got a 60 over 65 score. So let's give a clap in ourselves, class. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I appreciate. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your creativity in doing the activity. So continue to do good more for your improvement in the next activity. Understand, grade 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's proceed now in our quiz. So in here, class, you have all phone? Yes, we have all phones. Because today we have, today we all have our phone. So will you open your phone, class? Bring out your phone. Group I, grade 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Go to the Google and tap the edpuzzle.com. That's where you're going to answer your quiz for today.
Yes.
Go for. Wait, I'll going to demonstrate it to you. Okay, go to. Okay, so did you go to the Google?
Yes, ma'am.
.edpuzzle.com?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next one is sign in the Edpuzzle. Sign in as a student.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Yes, ma'am. Click there. Open the Edpuzzle app and paste the code that I am going to send in our GC.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you see your activity there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what you're going to do is there is a video there, video and question. So it is a kind of a multiple choice quiz. Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a multiple choice quiz. Then what you're going to do is stop the video and watch. After watching the first video, when the video is stopped, then you're going to answer there's a question that will pop up there and answer. I tap what is your best answer. If it is a thing or a tin sounds. Understood, grade 4?
Yes, ma'am.
So proceed now.
Yes, ma'am. Open.
We're going to see here your work.
Now let's see if you're answering for your quiz.
Like this, sir. How is this, sir?
Tap that down.
Oh my gosh, the signal is poor.
You tap the TTL with puzzle. So children, this is our quiz. TTL through it puzzle. So Sheena, are you still answering or you're
Sir,
done?
I'm done. And
Okay, let's see.
I got 60 out of 100, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's check if it's correct. Okay.
Are you done answering, class?
Yes,
So I've been here that you all, some are got 60 over 100, and that's means that 6 over 10, 7 over 10, and that's good. So keep on the good work, class, so that you will improve in the next activity. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's proceed in our assignment. Wait. this is your assignment. Will you read, class?
Choose one of the two kinds of texture, thin or thick. Then you will draw one example of it. It must have a color. Ask the help of your parents to help you do your homework. Do it in a 1 coupon band to be passed tomorrow morning.
Ma'am,
What size of the coupon band?
okay, it is A4 bond paper. Okay, any question, class?
None, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, that is our lesson for today. So, goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, ma'am.
Goodbye. Okay, okay.